This video will explain how you can potentially convert your current visitor or working holiday visa to a student visa without having to leave Australia. Greetings and welcome to Education One YouTube channel. Here, we aim to provide you with valuable information regarding studying in Australia. Are you currently in Australia on a visitor visa or a working holiday visa? Perhaps you've been enjoying the beautiful scenery and the laid-back lifestyle, and now you're considering staying for a more extended period of time. If you're thinking about studying in Australia, you might be wondering if it's possible to convert your visa to a student visa. Well, the good news is that's really possible. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch this entire video to ensure you don't miss any important details. It's important to keep in mind that having a no further stay condition on your current visa will make you ineligible for a student visa. But if this condition is not there, we can assist you in the process of obtaining a student visa. To be eligible for a student visa in Australia, you need to get a confirmation of enrollment from the educational institution you wish to attend. We can help you to apply to universities or colleges and secure admissions to a course before proceeding with your visa application. It's important to choose a course that is registered under CRICOS, satisfy the genuine temporary entrance requirements, provide evidence of your English proficiency, have adequate overseas student health cover insurance, and meet health and character standards. You must also prove that you have sufficient funds for the first 12 months of your stay in Australia, which can be done through a bank deposit, scholarship documents, or evidence of a loan. Once you're accepted to study at an institution, you'll receive a letter of offer and an acceptance form. Once you accept the offer and provide all required documents and fees, the institution will send you a confirmation of enrollment or COE. To help you to prepare for the process of converting your visitor or working holiday visa to a student visa while in Australia, you can take a screenshot of the document checklist provided in this video. Keep it handy as you proceed with your application. After submitting your student visa application, you will receive a bridging visa A once your visitor or working holiday visa expires, which allows you to remain in Australia while your new visa application is processed. If your current visa is still active, it will automatically end and you'll become a student visa holder. Don't let the complicated process of applying for student visa hold you back from pursuing your academic dreams in Australia. We can assist you with the transition from your visitor or working holiday visa to a student visa and provide comprehensive services including help with college and university admissions, career counseling, health insurance, and visa application services. If you're considering converting your visitor or working holiday visa to a student visa in Australia, we are here to help. Our team can guide you through the process and support you in starting your academic journey. You can find our contact details in the description box below or book a consultation on our website at www.educationone.net.au. And if you have any questions about studying in Australia, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment sections or during your consultation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!